Hello everyone, thank you for joining me in another video. Can't wait to show you what we have been doing this week. Just want to show you a few additions to our online shop which will be live soon. It is a continuation of our summer collection. I always like to start a collection off with at least one bouquet in white and green, and then following that one up with a pretty in pink bouquet. My favourite flower at the moment has to be spray roses. The shop is full of beautiful flowers, but I must say that it is still a bit random at the market, and it makes it a little challenging when trying to minimize stock, since I have to find alternatives in which change a bouquet completely. Luckily our shop is very hands-on, and most of our bouquets are created in front of the customer unless ordered. The weather in Melbourne is very hot and cold and a bit random. I should be used to it now. I've always been saving most of all my flowers, even if they wilt and slowly dry, so I thought I would clean up my dried wall and put together a few bunches of roses and just see aesthetically how they would look. Simply I just start with a spiral and just place everything and do a sort of a twist. There's a few broken pieces, so they're pretty fragile to start with. But slowly I'm able to create a form. Just finishing off the last piece, and we made a nice spiral of dried roses. So I'm just starting a new bouquet, which will probably be part of our summer arrangement as we update it throughout the week of different flowers. I like to start with the roses and more expensive focal flowers in the center. Just trimming a few bent pieces and then playing around with shape and form, just making sure that everything can be visible. I love the color pink and just the different tones we're able to get. They just look so nice together. I mix a little bit of white, but mainly focusing on the different tones from hot pink to soft pink, and just playing around with the overall aesthetics. you.